Hey everybody, this is Trade Formula looking at XRP, and I made a video yesterday that you may have taken a look at. I wanted to do a quick follow-up as it's been going pretty wild lately. Very exciting to watch and tremendous volatility, especially over the past hour. So I wanted to touch on that. So the ultimate resistance, at least for this bearish trend that I've drawn, is this blue line right here. Now, just to zoom in a little bit, it initiates right here, it touches, has a close touch, strong touch, another strong touch, and then down it goes. We're not even close to it for a long time until today, until over the last hour or two. I'm going to zoom up. Okay, we're on the 4-hour time frame right now. You can see that we blew through it, right? And I was astounded that that was the case. I did not expect, probably in my wildest dreams, that it would be going this parabolic, this quickly, this early. I thought it would follow a little bit more along the lines of this. We'll see some intrabar lining up with this purple dotted line. And we had, even this line alone is just insane, and we're so far ahead of it. So anyway, let's get a little closer to it. Let's look at the 1 minute, and we'll pull it out a little ways, and we can take a look at what's going on in intrabar. So I'm a pretty firm believer in line drawing, as you can probably tell. I mean, to me, this is a reliable touch point. We have initiation with the first touch. Predictably, there's some consolidation, not unlike what we're seeing right now, right? You know, it's very similar in form. A little bit stronger of a drop from where this point is, which might tell us that this move is not really, you know, stopping, but perhaps slowing down and looking at like a period of break, not unlike what we've seen right here. So I can imagine this kind of going sideways for a minute until we touch base with this again right here. And what is that? I'm on the minute, so I can't quite tell. We're probably looking at, what, a day or two from now. All right, so first of all, I think this purple dotted line right here, I'm going to change it from dotted. There's no reason for that to be the case. Let's make it solid. I'm not used to this new. There we go. I'm not used to this new system with TradingView. I like doing it a different way. Anyhow, so you know, we're building on the previous success and doing this, and it's got to break at some point, right? It can't continue on indefinitely. I was freaking out, texting my friends and wife when we were hitting, you know, 76 cents. Unbelievable. But you know, it can't continue on forever. So I think we're entering into an intrabar consolidation. We might drop off this and hit down here. That's conceivable. This is a pretty strong support, at least intrabar. So you know, I'm going to draw a line there, and we'll see what happens. I really wish TradingView would enable 1 minute sort of time frame trading ideas. They don't, which is a little unfortunate. So we broke this. I'm going to make this a dotted line now. That's kind of the system that I use. So we'll make that a dotted line. Maybe not as strong as we initially thought. This blue line is the one that, if I move back to daily, okay, that's this right here, right? Again, that's this one, and it's really a strong one. Which is why I was so surprised that we blew past it. We're now on it right now. So, very interesting stuff. Now, the other thing is, this will be the true test of, are we exiting the bear market? First of all, we completely blew through all of my moving average lines in this ribbon. We're now touching on the daily. We touched into oversold territory. Very interesting. We also have touched into a bullish RSI as well. Also interesting. As I speak, we are dropping beneath that blue line right now. So we've tested it, we've gone above it, we're now dropping beneath it. Just tremendous volatility. I can see us touching this and relinking back up with this back over here. So we're in a lot of strong, oh, here we go. Dropping pretty quickly. Just unbelievable volatility. I can see us dropping back to this level and then touching back on it. I'm going to make this one a little bit heavier. I mean, seriously, I'm glad I'm recording this. because this is just wild. All right, cool. 25%. We've gone from 70% up down to 25% in about, what is that, an hour? Less than an hour. Unbelievable. XRP is wild, guys. All right, so officially, I'm thinking we're going to land here. We're going to be going sideways for a little bit, guys, right? We broke through this line of support, intrabar. We'll see if we hit on this. I think that's probably where the target is in the short term. We'll drop another, let's say 8% or so, and we'll align with this. There'll be some consolidation. We'll eventually break out of it, and we'll be touching on 74 within the next, let's pull the 15-minute time frame. I mean, we're probably looking at a bit of a sideways period, not unlike what we saw here. That's my thought. That's my thought. We'll see what happens. Again, swell, I really don't know what to think about swell. I hate to like hype singular events like that. I think we're going to see a fair amount of announcements, which is going to be interesting. Swell occurs over here, right? Is that right? Here we go. Swell is all the way over here, so we've got a ways to go. So really, I think if we are using this purple line as support, you know, gosh, we could already be, unless we break it, we could already be at like $1.50 by the time that happens. So we'll see what happens. I would say buy the dip if it were me again. And hey, if we're not in the dip right now, I don't know what is. I would look for 15-minute here. Okay, we're looking at an oversold position being around the time that I anticipated, around here, right? We're on our way down. We're at 36 right now. I'd say that's a pretty solid buy-in. Although, hey, this could look like a little bit of head and shoulders, maybe. Is that possible? I doubt it. I doubt it. But I think it's conceivable. I'm going to give that like a 5 to 10% chance. Likely we go sideways. There's also the possibility that we link up with this. I'm going to say it's about a 40% chance we do that. We will see. Thanks for watching, guys.